Are you a content creator looking to enhance the viewing experience for your YouTube videos? Well, you're in luck. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to allow automatic chapters on your videos using YouTube Studio on your PC. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio Launch. YouTube Studio, the platform for managing your YouTube channel. Step 2. Click Content. Navigate to the Content tab, where you can access all your uploaded videos. Step 3. Select a video. Choose the specific video for which you want to enable automatic chapters. Step 4. Click on Details. Within the Video Details section, click on Details to access additional settings. Step 5. Click on Show More. Expand the description and settings options by clicking on Show More. Step 6. Select Allow Automatic Chapters and Key Moments. Find the option to enable automatic chapters and key moments, and make sure it is selected. By following these simple steps, you can enhance the user experience of your YouTube videos by providing automatic chapters. This makes it easier for viewers to navigate and find specific sections within your content. Remember to watch our YouTube video for a visual walkthrough of the process. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Happy video creation!